If you're going to be removing the door handle, it's a good idea to protect the paint around it by first taping off the area. Note, the tape is a little overkill on our project car. See the paint around the door. Also, someone had installed a rabbit door handle in place of the original. Begin by removing the single large Phillips head screw by the latch, red arrow. Use care when removing it and be prepared to use an impact driver if necessary. With the screw removed, slide the handle assembly towards the front of the car, red arrow. The rear section of the handle will come out enough to see the white plastic latch clip, yellow arrow. Use a flathead screwdriver and pop the latch clip off the handle, red arrow. This piece attaches to the lock mechanism and has a tendency to fall off into the door. If this happens, you will need to remove the door panel to retrieve it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance if you need it with removing the door panel. Remove and twist the handle enough to see down into the door where the latch mechanism attaches to the handle. Use a long flathead screwdriver and pop the handle clip off the latch, red arrow. You can now twist the handle 90 degrees and remove it from the door. This photo illustrates the lock ball joint, red arrow, and where the latch cup, yellow arrow, sits in the latch ball joint on the door. If you are replacing the latch plastic cup on the handle, the amount of threads determines where the handle will be pushed down far enough to unlatch the door. If you screw it on too far or too little, it will not properly open the door. I find 2.5 turns usually works, but it will be trial and error. Before you begin installation of the handle, make sure that the lock latch clip is in the up position, red arrow. Now comes the part with luck and manual dexterity. Make sure that the rear door handle gasket is installed onto the handle prior to attempting installation. Insert the door handle linkage into the door handle opening, turning the handle at an angle to get the linkage rod to fit into the opening in the door. Align the socket on the door handle linkage with the ball on the latch mechanism. Place the tip of a long flathead screwdriver against the back of the socket and apply pressure while rocking the door handle back and forth. The socket should slide onto the ball. Now insert the door handle far enough into the door opening to press the white plastic piece into the bottom of the door handle lock mechanism. These two procedures are the tricky part and have driven many a person to the point of frustration. If you are having difficulty, step away for a while and then come back to it. Installation of the rest is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.